At Steele Subaru, we have added a contactless sales experience to ensure your safety and well-being as we work our way through to brighter days. Simply go to steelesubaru.ca and click the three-bar menu icon at the top left, then select Shop from Home. You will be easily guided through the steps beginning with Step 1, find your vehicle. Step 2, pick your payment. Step 3, personalize your deal. And Step 4, apply for credit. And then Step 5, book an appointment for contactless pickup or contactless delivery. So let's get started. We're going to pick the Outback or the Goat, and yes, it comes in blue. Next, let's calculate the payments. Select your payment plan and structure to your deal. If you have a trade, simply use your VIN decode tool and enter your vehicle info to determine an approximate value. Then select your vehicle protections and apply for credit. Select your preferred delivery time and wait for our finance or product specialist to go through the remaining details. Thanks for choosing Steele Subaru, and stay safe, HRM.